I love the combination of coconut, vanilla and banana. And with these three ingredients, you can make the most delicious cookies. They're also gluten-free, dairy-free and egg-free. They're so simple to do too. So just some shredded coconut, and we're going to pop that into a blender, along with 3 bananas. Now, don't use those perfect yellow bananas. You want bananas that are a little over-ripened. The more ripe these bananas are, the better these cookies turn out. So breaking them up. And the third ingredient is vanilla bean paste. I love to use vanilla bean paste for this because we get a beautiful, aromatic, concentrated vanilla flavour. So you want a generous teaspoon of that. Done. Just blend this until it's well combined, and then I'm going to roll them into balls. They now go into the oven 180 degrees until they're golden. Who would have thought 3 ingredients make these delicious little snacks that everyone can enjoy? I can smell the coconut, the vanilla, the banana, a perfect treat. I'm just going to put a few more on the plate, and this one's for me. Yum!